And trending is a video of a family dumping their relative's deceased body and coffin at the family of the man they are accusing of killing their relative. Yeah, and it is widely reported that a man was caught with another man's wife in Chimanimani, who was then beaten up and died from his injuries, and the then, deceased family then decided to leave the coffin at the homestead of the accused man. And one person commented, I've never understood why a man has to beat another man for their wife's lack of loyalty and trench behavior. Anyway, another day, another reminder that your emotions are valid, but your behavior is not. This one on Dandaro online. And some have said that in the event that you have caught your partner in a compromising position, it's better to walk away. And in the event of an issue of avenging spirit, who is likely to be affected, and also are the deceased family's actions justified? Some injuries, so I just want to hear your thoughts on it as well. 0772162651. You can send a voice note. Lewa, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I need to be belated because you're not around. So
happy birthday to you too.
Same to you.
Same to you.
Same to you. So, in the event you are in shock, my emotions they're raging. Sometimes the way we react situations until we are faced with that same situation. Coffin kungo vanhu vari kurwadziwa nekuti ndiwakazurwa munhu wedu, but ndiye angatikanganisira kafuti munhu wenyu, ndiye akapoya mumusha wevaridzi makuya necoffin. I guess hakuna mutemo here unoti kana mapurisa emutore chitunha chenyu chitunha chenyu ndinacho, because ndiye akatotikanganisira.
I guess when it comes to murder, know, whether premeditated or not not premeditated in this case, it was a rage of emotions, as you said, killing of passion killing, that's what it's called, right? It's never then justified to say because so then you're justified to have acted this way. So I think it's always important, but I guess in the moment to then face your person in any case, but then with men I've actually realized for most men, I think he will face, and with women as well, will just then target the other person, and I guess with men also it's an ego thing, shuwere inini mumurume exactly kundirerutsa. So tashora zvokutima kuti like ngozi or whatever mweya yacho nayo, like the avenger, vanodedza mweya akafa, kuti inoenda kunani.
Because in this case unaona, when it comes murder, I guess postmortem yazoitwa kuti maybe angaine liver problem, angaine unanzichi ailment vakudhara ndo yazokonzeresa, but isusu pedu as people tekuti apa akarowa ndo paakazonosvika achinoita sei achinoshaya.
Munhu ari kutozvirwarira
munhu unozvirwarira
ane simba zvake rekunhingirikina nemukadzi wako, but then pamwe anga achitozvigwarira
anga achitozvirwarira, and then inobva yaine case yekuti anzi ari kutorwara zvake neailment yake yanga inayo, but as African kuti kwakarowa ikoko ndo kwakaita sei ndo kwakarowa. So there is no murder case, but pane issue yengozi. And but kuti ngozi yacho waichizoya kwatiri makatikanganisira ini makakaekurowa makazorowa, but imimi ndima mapoya mumusha medu.
Let's hear more of what you have to say. You can send a voice note 0772162651. It is trending today right here on the Morning Galaxy.